welcome back to my channel. We're doing another minimalistic episode. I filmed the actual beginning of this vlog like a while ago, but I guess I never did an intro to it. So for the first part of this vlog, I actually cleaned through my desk and through all my drawers and stuff like that. And then I did think a bit of my closet and bathroom because it was really big. So yeah, so let's get right into that and clean this room. I'm so happy. Like, I feel like I'm getting somewhere now. I'm gonna show you guys what progress I made, and yeah, I put makeup on. I feel like I got my life together now, but I'm gonna show you guys so other changes. So pretty much you walk in and that's all cleared up now. Literally all this stuff is just going to be taken to Salvation Army. I'm like trying to sell this stuff, but like honestly I'm gonna see about it. I might just like see if anybody wants it and then just take it to Salvation Army, because I just don't want, like, this is all stuff that literally is just being given away, so I just don't want half my room to be full of that and just be waiting. So my desk is way cleaner now. I got rid of stuff, like obviously there's little things on it, but you saw like in the time lapse got rid of stuff, and then I just like kind of cleared that stuff out. And then the top here is more clean. I just got like pictures now. But the bathroom is what I'm really happy about. Sup. But yeah, so I have like all my makeup here, pretty much just like got my makeup brushes, everyday makeup that I wear. So like my foundation, like this is the stuff that I literally will wear if I'm going to be wearing makeup, like today, that's what I'm wearing. Then I got my makeup brushes and then a few palettes. And then what I did, because literally over here I had like a billion like bags of just stuff that I brought home, so I put all my makeup palettes in here. And then over here I have stuff that I reach for like pretty often, toiletry wise. Then I have my straightener, curl over there, toilet tissues, and then I just kind of clear this out, and this is just stuff that I literally reach for every day, like Vaseline, body lotion, face, like a few face scrubs depending on like if I want to exfoliate, just like cleanse. Then I have like my, wow, I really need to get a new one, but the very end of my floral toner, like all this stuff I literally reach for every single day. Then what I did under here is, it looks crazy but it's actually not. So everything that I don't use every day, say like my dry shampoo, self tanner, whitening strips, anything like that, or if I have like extra, so like I have extra beauty blenders and I have waxing strips, and then I have some more bio oil back there, I put in here. In this little tub it's hard to see, but yeah, I have more contacts, And then back here, like you can't really see, in that little tub, pretty much I just put like any travel stuff. So if I want any travel size things, I'll just reach in there. And then back there I have like nail polish remover, just random stuff I don't need. And then down here is also crazy, but like not really. I used to have nail polish like crazy here, and I just threw them all out and kept only a few that are actually still good. I just have extra like cotton pads, like tampons, like a kind of contacts. I'll reach here first before I go to my extras, and then just headbands, because I'm trying to find a method to this madness, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's all that I did right now. Pretty much the next step is, I'll show you guys, I'm gonna have to go one day and just donate this stuff. And then I also didn't show you guys, but I cleared out like all my books, and these are the only books that I left, like I kept, and the rest are in here that I'm gonna donate to, because I just like put my shoes here for now. Like obviously it's not like any pretty display, but because I used to have like a bag of them, so I just put my shoes over here. And then next thing I'm gonna have to do is literally just like this stuff on the sides is literally so random, but like they're boxes I need to keep, like say over here. I have some posters and then like my boxes for my MacBook Pro and stuff like that, so I'm gonna have to go through that and decide. But pretty much like if I get rid of this, like I'm gonna be so happy. And then yeah, like I feel like that's all that I could do right now. I feel like it's a lot more clean. I feel like I still really have to tackle my closet, if you guys can tell. Like yeah, like all this stuff I went through, and I kind of went through this, but like it can definitely be refolded. But like kind of under here, and then here where my bathing suits are, I definitely have to go through again, just like memory boxes, and like put them up there, because it's just so crazy still like in my closet. It's just like not nice. I still need to get like hangers and stuff like that, so that's still going to be more. Obviously I'm going to see how long this vlog is. I'll probably add to it, and probably like add the closet into it, because I don't think I'm gonna have like that many episodes. But I'm also going to be having more vlogs when I go to London, either in the summer or during the school year, because that just needs like a whole other decluttering, which obviously I don't think will be as bad, just because I was very more like minimalist there. But my closet definitely has half my closet there is probably stuff that I could get rid of, so I'm gonna do that next. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm doing more stuff in my room, because this definitely won't be enough for just the one. Hey guys, so I'm back now after from the intro and cleaning all that. As you guys can see, I was super happy about that, and now today I'm going through my closet again, because I need it to be folded, and I went through all my drawers again, because everything just needed to be refolded so I could really see everything. So let's do this. Oh, you guys, I'm really happy with the end result kind of right now. So this is the closet. I don't know, for me it's okay. Like this is all folded now, and everything over here is folded, and then I just have my shoes over here now and just some jackets, and then everything's just hung up. And then in my drawers I kind of just folded stuff. Like these are just like basic bodysuits and pajamas, and then my underwear drawer, and then over here I just have some workout clothes, and then just like other t-shirts and stuff. I'll have to go through that again before the summer ends, see what I actually still want. And then okay, these are just pants, and then under there's like going out clothes, but really I can't do much about that because it's just a full drawer. Oh wow, yeah. Also, I didn't show you guys, but now I have another pile, but I got rid of all these bags and I donated them, and now all this new stuff has to be donated, and I'm gonna put this in a bag, and I'm gonna keep it stored in my basement or in my room for a bit until the end of the summer, and then I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna keep it or just get rid of it, because I don't want this sitting here all the time. Alright you guys, I hope you liked that vlog. I'm sure there's gonna be more decluttering because I wanted to do more stuff around my desk and just like everything, because I want to get rid of everything out of my room that I don't need because it's just my childhood room and there's way too much stuff here. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos from me, subscribe down below. And other than that, happy decluttering, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!